Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my channel PB Home Based Bees. I am Perebi Ujiri. So basically what I do in this channel is to teach home-based business, crypto related updates, graphic design, affiliate marketing, and everything about sales and marketing online. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you're going to be notified. Thank you very much. So let's dive into the video of today. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you're going to withdraw your earnings from MetaForce to your bank account, to your local bank account, because a lot of persons has been asking how can we withdraw our DAI stable coin to our bank account. So please follow me to the end of this video and you're going to see the step-by-step process of how you're going to withdraw your earnings, which is your DAI stable coin, to your local bank account. So let's continue. So for me, I'm using Trust Wallet, so I'm going to click on Trust Wallet and log in. I'm going to be withdrawing from this my account. Okay, so I'm going to be withdrawing from this account. So I just withdraw $14 worth of DAI stable coin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap it first to Matic before I can send it to Binance, because before you can start your withdrawal you need Binance account, a verified Binance account. So I'm going to first of all swap it to Matic, then before I will send it to Binance to do the withdrawals. So okay, I'm going to be swapping. When you get here, know that your Matic is up and then your DAI stable coin is down. So you're going to switch these arrows. You click on these two arrows and then your DAI stable coins will go up and then Matic will come down. So what you want to swap is $15. So I want to swap $15 worth of DAI stable coin. And $15 worth of DAI stable coin will give me 16 Matic. So I'll click on swap and confirm. And it will take say a few minutes, but I believe it has already swapped. So let's just, okay, it has been swapped already. So let's go back to Matic, our Polygon Matic. Okay, so it's already here. I was having $4 before now, so I've gotten $18. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on send. But before I will send, I have to go back to my Binance to copy my Binance wallet address. So you just follow me step by step. Okay, so what we'll have to do is to click on our Binance app and it will bring us to our home page. So you go to wallets, and then click on deposits, and then to bring you to the various various cryptocurrencies that you can deposit to several, but we're looking for Matic. So you can actually search from the search button in case your Matic is not here. You can search for Matic and it will come up, Polygon Matic. So it will come up. So you click on, there are several networks. There are several networks that you can choose from, but we are choosing the Polygon Matic. So you click on Polygon network and then you click on copy. You copy it and then you go back to your Trust Wallet to send it. So let's continue. So back to Trust Wallet, I will have to click on send and then I paste my wallet address here, and then you confirm your wallet address. Please confirm your wallet address. Confirm your Binance wallet address if it is correct, because you copied it. So how many Matic do I want to send? I want to send $15 worth, 16.75 5 Matic will give me $15. So I'll just click on continue. And next I confirm. So let's just refresh the page and check if it has gone. Okay, it is pending, but it has gone already. So let's just wait for Trust Wallet to send it to our Binance. I think it will take some. Okay, it has been completed already. So let's go back to our Binance. Okay, so our Matic has been deposited in our Binance account. Our Matic has been deposited. So how do we get this money to our bank account? That's the next step. How do we get this money to our bank account? So next thing you have to do is to convert this Matic to USDT. Next thing you have to do is to convert this Matic to USDT. So how do you convert Matic to USDT? You click on trades. This middle icon, you're seeing trades. You click on trades, and then you click on convert here at the first one at the topmost part of your screen. You click on convert. What do you want to convert? You want to convert Matic to USDT. So you search for USDT. So how many Matic do you want to swap to USDT? So you click on max. I'm swapping all. So the next thing is to click on this preview conversion, and the next thing is to click on this convert, and conversion successful. That's how to convert your Matic to USDT and to every other crypto that you want to convert. So what do we have to do? We have to go back home and check our wallet. Yes, so you now confirm that your Matic has been converted to USDT. So next thing is for you to transfer your USDT from the spot wallet to your funding wallet, so you can use your P2P. So the next step is to transfer your USDT from spot wallet to funding wallet. So you click on transfer. And what do you want to transfer is USDT. So you search for USDT. USDT is there already. So how many USDT do you want to transfer? You want to transfer all of them. So you click on confirm transfer, and it has been successful. Transfer successful. So your USDT is no longer in your spot wallet. So let's click on our funding. You will see that the USDT is now in your funding wallet. So next step is for you to click on the P2P. What do we want to do? Okay, you have to confirm to avoid becoming a victim of scammers. You have to read this to make sure that you don't transfer money to the wrong hand. So you click on this and then confirm. What do you want to do? We don't want to buy, we want to sell. Do you understand? So you can buy and sell here. So what we want to do is to sell. So you click on sell. So I have to change it to Naira. So I'm changing my currency to Naira. Let me click on NG. Okay, so you have to click on okay, so I've changed it to confirm. So I've changed it to Naira. So I want to sell. You click on sell. So the next thing you have to do is you have to confirm all these are exchangers. They are all verified exchangers in Binance. So you have to confirm the particular exchanger that will buy the exact amount of Naira USDT that you want to sell. Do you understand? So you have to search. Like this person is from 200,000 Naira and above. This one is 300,000. Okay, so this person now is selling from 10,000 Naira to 338,000 Naira worth of USDT. So you can buy from this person. You can see this person's trade is about 98% win rates, you understand, 98% success rate. So you have to check that also, put that in consideration also. So it's selling at the rate, is buying our cryptocurrency, our USDT at the rate of 677.85. So you click on it, and then how many USDT do you want to sell? So I want to sell all of them. So if I'm selling all, it will the amount of naira that we will get is 10,188 naira. So we're going to have 10,188 naira, and then we're going to select our payment method. Yes, so we want to use this account. So select your payment method, and it will be bank transfer. So next is to click on sell with zero fee. So this buyer, we're going to wait for the buyer to pay us within the period of 45 minutes. Look at it, it says expect to receive payment in 44 minutes 58 seconds. That's about 45 minutes, but the timer is also counting at 3 minutes. Okay, let's just say it started at 5 minutes, so for the period of time that we have stayed. So we are waiting for him. Okay, I guess he has sent it already, so he's telling me to confirm payment. So let me go back to my CUDA to check if he has already transferred the money. Let me go back to my CUDA to confirm if he has transferred the money. Okay, it has actually come. So we have confirmed that he has paid the money. So next thing is for us to go back to our Binance and confirm the payment. So you click on payment received. So you understand? Click on payment received. I have not received payment from the buyer. No, I have received the correct amount. Yes, from the buyer. So you click on confirm, and it's a code. We need to confirm this, verify this transaction. So you send the code, and the code will be sent to your phone number. Okay, so I've gotten the verification code, so let me get it. Okay, so next is to submit our verification code, and then we are done. You see, successfully sold $15. Do you understand? So this is very, very easy to transfer your earnings from your Trust wallet, or from any of the wallets that you use, any of the decentralized wallet that you use for your registration and activation of MetaForce. Do you understand? So it is very, very easy. It's not hard at all. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from this video. Please like this video. Put any comment on. If you have any question, please put it on the comment section, and I'll answer all your questions. And please, if you want to join my team, the link is below this this video, on the description section of this video. And you can also join my Telegram group, and also my WhatsApp group once you're done registering or activating your account if you're in my team. So you'll get more updates and get a lot of training on how to grow your own team. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next episode of PB Home Based Biz.